Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sarah Saputri. I'm from class B. Today, I would like to explain about how to make LinkedIn account from the beginning of register until you have an account. Before we watch step by step how to make LinkedIn account, I will explain a little bit about what is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social network that has a unique concept where most users are professionals who have a business background. Like an identified LinkedIn, use the media to produce yourself or business to prospective colleagues or companies with diverse objectives. Benefit from LinkedIn. First, building a professional profile, expanding connection, maintaining a relationship with old friends, makes it easy for you to apply for a job and open up opportunities for recruiting by companies. Now we start to create LinkedIn account. First, open Google Chrome. Then type LinkedIn. Then click this LinkedIn login. If you already have a LinkedIn account, you click sign in. But if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you click join now. Because we don't have LinkedIn account, so we click join now. And then create new account. You will be required to register. First, you type your email or phone number. And then password. Then click agree and join. Next, type your first name. And then type your last name. Then click continue. Security verification. Click this. Then you must complete your profile. First, select your country or region. Example, Indonesia. And then create your postal code. Then click next. And then you can type your job title, your company, and industry. Example, nurse. And select your industry. hospital and health care, and then click continue. Next, to confirm your email, there will be a notification number code in your email. And then type number code 249771, and then click agree and confirm. Next, add your email contact to see who you already know on LinkedIn. You can click continue or you can click skip. Then you click skip. Here you can find people who you know, and you can click skip or add connection. And then edit your profile. Enter your profile photo and then choose photo what you want. Click open. You can zoom your photo. Finish. You can click save photo. After you choose your profile, your photo profile, you can click continue. Click. And next, click your country or region. Example, Indonesia. And your phone number. Then text me the link. Then this is in the front page of LinkedIn. Here there is profile like photo, name, job, and companies. Next is start a post. Start a post. You can tell you need a job, and then you can also send photo, video, and document. Next is network. In network, you can find people you know and have registered in advance. If you want invitation, you can click add personal contact and search the people, and then click continue. Next is job. In job, you can explain your job, career, and post a job. And then if you want to find a job, you can type your wish job. Example like nurse, and this is the job vacancies. Next is message. In message, you can look your message notification here, and also you can send message here.
and type your message. Next is notification. In notification is information about have you been accepted applying for a job or not. And then if you want to finish, you can click Sig out. And your LinkedIn account is complete and ready to use.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully useful, and let's try!